Machiegni kendo obila makedo gi ng'anyo odino wang' apaya mochomo dala jaod bura ma Naivasha Jane Kihara mantie gwenge ma Maraigushu. Maeri en kaka yor dino ne josiasa ma e gwengego kik lim jaod burano. Ma timore mana ndalo moko tok kane omak jaod burano e dalane ga apisas mawachore ni gin mag okwach kich kani tude kod ketho mar rocho kwe pachoka ahinya te kinde ng'anyo mag Sabasaba. Kihara nochwal e doho ma Milimani e buore Nairobi, kama bang'e noweye kod rambun mar Sh50,000. Kaka kamano, Kihara nowacho ni mae en achiel kuom yore ma piny owacho tiyo godo e kwedo jogo masiro jalup jatend piny machon Rigathi Gachagua.
I should speak to the OCPD, who I have been trying to call since morning when I was told there is police outside my gate. And when I asked the OCS, he tells me that the information he has is that I have an illegal meeting in my house. This is my private property. I can host whoever I need. I had some guests, yes, who were coming. And they were coming to show solidarity in what has been happening to me. They have accused me. They have put me in police. And my voters and my friends said they want to come.
Askari ni wengi sana kweli na hatujui wanakuja kufanya nini. Katika hili boma la mheshimiwa ana ruhusa ya kuhost kila mtu mwenye anataka na wakati wowote. Ni kama kulipia mahali. Hatuendagi polisi kuomba ruhusa ya kulipia kwenda kulipia mahali. Hata leo kuna gatherings nyingi sana. Sijui kama askari watakuwa huko kote. So tunataka kujua sababu ni gani na hatutauziwa uoga. Hiyo kwanza tuseme.
Anyola